You're welcome, our dear student, in this new episode from your program مدرسة على الهواء. Today we're gonna talk about the second part of the second lesson, matter construction. We talked about matter construction. We talked we said that matter consists of small particles that are called molecules, and the molecule is the smallest part of matter, and it has all characteristics or properties of matter and can be existed freely. And we talked about the properties of molecule that are: number one, the molecules of matter are in a state of continuous motion. Number two, the molecules have spaces that are called the intermolecular spaces. Number three, there are intermolecular forces between the molecules of matter. But today we're going to talk about matter and molecules. Matter and molecules. Molecules of one substance are alike. Alike here means similar, the same kind, the same type. Molecules of one substance are alike in properties, but they differ from those of other substances. That means that all molecules of water have the same properties, are alike, but they are different. They are different from the molecules of ammonia, carbon dioxide gas, because they are different substances. Okay. Molecules are composed of smaller particles that are all atoms, are called atoms. Atom is smaller than molecule, just molecule. One molecule consists of some atoms, maybe two, maybe three, maybe sometimes one, as we will see. What are kinds of molecules, my dear students? We have many kinds of molecules. Number one, we have element molecule. Number two, compound molecule. Element molecule and compound molecule. What are differences between element molecule and compound molecule? The element molecule is formed from similar atoms. Similar atoms. As if you look with me now. Now I'll form a molecule. This is molecule on this paper, please, and another molecule. What can you notice, my dear student, about the difference between this molecule and this molecule? This molecule consists of two atoms. Each particle of these particles is called atom, and this molecule consists of two atoms also, but the difference is not in color only, but the difference is in the type of atoms here. This molecule consists of the same molecules, the same type of atoms, the same similar atoms, but this molecule consists of different atoms. So this molecule is molecule of element, and this molecule is a molecule of what? Of a compound. So as we see on the monitor, the element molecule is formed from similar atoms. On the monitor, please. Again, the element molecules are formed from similar atoms. So now, what is meant by element? What's meant by element? Element is the simplest form of matter. Simplest form of matter, which can't be analyzed, can't be decomposed chemically into simpler form by simple chemical methods. Again, what's meant by element? It is the simplest form. No form simpler than element. The element is the simplest form of matter which can't be analyzed chemically into simpler forms or form by simple chemical method. What does it mean? Suppose that I have a door, and this door is a wooden door. Wooden door has wood, maybe glass, maybe lacquer, which is made from maybe copper, maybe iron. This door, I can call it matter because it has mass and volume. So it is called matter. It's considered matter. But this substance, this door, has many types of elements. It has wood, but wood is not element, I know, but it has wood, it has glass, and it has maybe copper, maybe iron, key. So it has many types of substances or of elements. But if I have an iron key, and I can change this iron key into smaller particles by using some device. What are the particles? What are the type? What are the shape of these particles? Are they different or similar? Sure, they are similar. Smaller particles of iron key. If we can change the iron key into smaller parts, very, very small particles, each one is called a molecule. And all these molecules are the same in color and in everything. Okay? And this molecule consists of atoms. The atoms are similar. But if I can change the door into small particles, I can see different colors, different properties, because it consists of different elements. The key, iron key, is an element. It is a matter because it has volume and mass. The door is matter because it has volume and mass. But the difference is, in the door case, the door consists of many types, different substances, different elements, different colors, different properties, while the iron key consists of just one type of colors, one type of particles that have the same color, the same properties. So iron K is the simplest, is simpler than the door. So iron K is an element, while the door is matter. And I think, I believe that iron K is also what? Matter. Iron K is matter, door is matter, but the difference is iron K is the simplest form of matter and can't analyze it into different substances. So again, element, it is the simplest form of matter which can't be analyzed chemically into simpler form by simple chemical methods. As you see on the monitor, on this paper, please, again, this is molecule, and this is molecule. What the difference? This molecule consists of the same type, so it is element. If I want to analyze this molecule, I get what? Two similar atoms. If I want to analyze this molecule, I get what? Two different atoms. So it is what? It's compound, but this is element. Element is the simplest form of matter that can't be analyzed into simpler substances. If I want to analyze it, I get also the same type, the same kind, just one kind of atoms. Okay. On the monitor, please. Types of elements molecule, and also the element molecules are not the same. If it is one element, all molecules are the same, all atoms are the same. But what is the difference between an element and another one? The molecules of element differs from the molecules of another one. So we have many types of elements molecule. Number one, monoatomic. Monoatomic, as you see with me, my dear student, monoatomic. Mono in Latin is 1. Mono is 1. Di is 2. Tri is 3. Mono, di, tri. Tetra is 4. Penta is 5. Hexa is 6. So, what's meant by monoatomic? It means that monoatomic, it means that this molecule consists of one. Mono means one. One what? One atom. First one, we can see some elements whose molecule consists of just one atom. One atom means that it can't share, it can't give, it can't lose electrons, as we gonna see next time, but it consists of just one atom. Like what? Or what's meant by monoatomic? It is the element molecule that composed of one atom, just one atom. Like what? We have just one liquid whose molecule consists of one atom. This molecule or this element is called mercury. We studied mercury before. We studied mercury in primary 4 as the only liquid metal. Only liquid metal is mercury. And here we studied that this liquid metal, mercury, its molecule consists of just one atom. The whole molecule, just one atom. And we studied mercury in the previous episode with Mr. Nader as the liquid that is used to make what? To make thermometers. We have liquid monoatomic molecule of element, mercury, and we have noble gases. Also noble gases, we have 6 types of noble gases in the whole world. Number 1 is called helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Again, noble gases. The molecule of noble gas consists of or composed of or contains just one atom. Noble gases as helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Okay. We said from a moment that we have 2 types of molecules of element. Number 1, monoatomic. Number 2, diatomic. What's meant by di, my dear students? What's meant by di? Yes, 2. So, diatomic here means that the molecule of element that is composed of 2 atoms. 2 similar or different? Okay. Now, let's check our information. Which one of these is diatomic molecule of element? A or B? I can't say A because A is a molecule of what? Compound. But B is a molecule of element. Give reason. Give reason for B is a molecule or represents a molecule of element because it consists of the same type of atoms. Okay. Liquid, we have some examples for diatomic molecule of element. We have liquid as bromine. Do you remember, my dear student, what's meant by bromine? We studied in primary 4 that we have 2 liquids, 2 liquid elements. First one is mercury, which is metal, and second one is bromine, which is a liquid non-metal. So liquid metal, mercury, consists of, its molecule consists of just one atom, while the liquid non-metal, bromine, consists of, the molecule of it consists of 2 atoms. The second example, active gases. We have noble gases and active gases. What the difference between noble gases and active gases? Noble gases, molecule consists of just one atom, while active gases molecule consists of what? Two atoms. Two similar, sure, two similar atoms. Active gases as oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine and fluorine. Chlorine and fluorine. So we have element, we have compound. The element consists of, the molecule of element consists of one type of atom, while the molecule of compound consists of more than one type of atoms. The molecule elements, we have many types of molecule elements. Number one is monatomic, number two is diatomic. Monatomic as liquid, as mercury. Monatomic noble gases as helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. The second type is diatomic molecule of element, which consists of two atoms, as liquid as bromine, active gases as oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine and fluorine. Now let's talk about the compound molecule. Look at me now. Atom. This is the atom, just one atom. Behind the atom, molecule. But this molecule that contains two red, just example, two red atoms and one blue atom, it is a molecule of what? Of compound. But the type of molecule that consists of two red atom, it is a molecule of what? Yes, of element. The compound molecule. Compound molecule is composed of different atoms, different type of atoms. As what? Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. As you notice, my dear student, it consists of two names, hydrogen chloride. Chloride comes from chlorine. So hydrogen chloride, it's obvious that it consists of hydrogen, that is symbolized by H, and chlorine, as we will see next lesson. So there are two types of atoms, different atoms. This molecule consists of hydrogen atom and chlorine atom. They are different. Hydrogen chloride consists of one hydrogen atom which is combined with one chlorine atom. Okay, as we see on the monitor, hydrogen chloride molecule consists of one hydrogen atom combined with what? With a chlorine atom. الو منى؟
الو السلام عليكم، ازي حضرتك؟
عليكم السلام يا منى.
الحمد لله. حضرتك عايزه اقول برضو الهيدروجين اللي هو الحمد لله. حضرتك عايزه اقول برضو الهيدروجين
منى وطي
بيبقوا
التلفزيون.
حضرتك بيبقوا تو اتومز، يعني حضرتك الهيدروجين اللي هم يعني حضرتك اللي هم يعني الهيدروجين لازم يبقوا تو اتومز، يبقى يعني اثنين ذرتين، حضرتك يبقى اتش فيبقى يطلع لي اتش 2 في الاخر.
تمام. منى انت بتتكلمي على الهيدروجين يعني كاليمنت، ذاتس رايت؟
ايوه حضرتك.
تمام.
ايوه
تمام.
ما هو حضرتك ايوه ما حضرتك الاتش، يعني حضرتك الهيدروجين يبقى اتش 2، يعني حضرتك يبقى عشان يبقوا الاثنين اثنين.
تمام. انت كده
حضرتك ممكن تديني اسئله بس؟
عايزه اسئله على الدرس ده؟
طيب
اوكي.
يعني ماشي.
Can you see this diagram? Is it a molecule or atom?
معلش بس معلش.
molecule ولا atom؟
دول يبقوا اتوم.
دول كده 3
3 اتوم.
3 atoms. اوكي. ال 3 atoms combined together يبقى molecule ولا atom؟
لا كده يبقوا اتوم.
كده يبقى مولكيول يا مان.
مولكيول؟
لأنه المولكيول consist of atoms.
اتوم. ايوه المولكيول consists of atom.
Okay. This molecule of elements or molecule of compounds?
لا كده يبقوا compound.
Very good. Why?
نعم؟
Why? Give reason.
because لان هما اللي هو معلش ثانية حضرتك ليه عشان compound؟
Yes.
طيب because لان هي ثانية واحدة.
Different
between
different atoms.
different atoms.
Okay. وده طبعا يعني بيتكون من اتنين element بس. element شكله هو black و element شكله thank you man. Thank you. Hydrogen chloride is not an element, it is a compound, so it consists of just one hydrogen atom and one chloride atom. Water molecule is composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So water is a compound. As you see, my dear student, the example that I wrote for Minna in few minutes ago on this paper, please. This example, two similar atoms. I can here symbolize it by this hydrogen, and another one is hydrogen, and this different one is different from them. It is for oxygen. So this molecule is a molecule of what? Molecule of compound. Why? Give reason. Because it consists of different types of atoms. How many types of atoms here? Two types, because we have these two atoms, two black atoms are similar, and the red one is different. Two different or two types of atoms. These two for hydrogen, so I can say H2 because they are two, and oxygen O. So water molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms and just one oxygen atom. Okay. So we have we talked now about two examples of molecule of compound. First one gas, first one hydrogen chloride. We have many types of hydrogen chloride. We have hydrogen chloride gas and hydrochloric acid. Number two, water molecule that is composed of hydrogen, just two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Number three, ammonia gas. Ammonia gas molecule that consists of what? Three hydrogen atoms and one nitrogen atom. So let's think together, my dear student, on this paper. Is number one. This is number two. This is number three. Which one of these diagrams represent what? Represent the ammonia gas molecule. Ammonia gas molecule consists of just three hydrogen atoms and what? And one nitrogen atom, NH3. Which one of these? I can say it is A, because A consists 1, 2, 3 atoms, while here one nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen, so it has to include 4, but this 3. This number C is 3, but 2 of them similar and 2 of them similar, but here just 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So the correct one is B, because it has 3 similar hydrogen and just one different. Okay. Now let's have some revision about lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay, if you want to answer through the phone, you can do this. Write the scientific term of each of the following. Number 1, temperature at which a substance begins to change from solid substance to liquid. Again, the temperature at which the substance begins to change from a solid state to liquid state. What is it? It is from solid to liquid, from solid to liquid. So it is melting point. Why? Because melting process is the change of solid state into liquid state. So first one is what? Is melting point. Number 2, the smallest part of matter, smallest part on the monitor please, the smallest part of matter which can exist in a free state. Exist in a free state means existed freely, the same, and keep the properties of matter. This sentence means and has the same properties of matter or has the properties of matter. So what is the smallest part of matter which can exist in a free state and keep the properties of matter? What is this? It is, yes, molecule. Number 2 is molecule. Number 3, the spaces that are found among the molecules of matter together. The spaces, here as you see we have the word space and we have molecules, so it will be what? It will be intermolecular spaces. Intermolecular spaces. Intermolecular spaces. Okay. Number 4, the simplest form of matter which can't be decomposed, on the monitor please, the simplest form of matter which can't be decomposed into a simpler one by chemical means. Which is the simplest form of matter? It is what? It is element. And now we reached the end of this lesson, hoping to study harder and keep in touch through the official page of الصفحة الرسمية أو الجروب الرسمي للمدرسة على الهواء. See you next week.